Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix Steam login error which says incorrect password. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Steam, whether on your application or on your browser as well. So for example, let me just go ahead and open Steam. So as you can see, I'm going to be on this page right over here. And all you need to do in order to go ahead and log in once you've already forgotten your password is simply click on help, I can't sign in. And once you've done that, you're going to be on this page where you want to click on I forgot my Steam account name or password. Simply go ahead and enter your email address or phone number that you've used in order to go ahead and log into Steam, and they'll send you a verification code on your email that you'll have to enter back here, and they will let you change your password. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.